Okay, big hands please. Okay, now the path that the tractor is taking is actually a designated route or the tractor has to take. So the farmer has the option to choose the path or the row that he has to farm. So on a predetermined day, the farmer just chooses a cozy corner of his field and he says he has a tablet in his hands and he says this is the operation that I want to do. So on that particular day, he could choose tilling, he could just do some operation and he could program it. The program gets flashed onto the tractor and then the tractor starts moving on its own, taking through the entire sequence of features. So that's exactly what you're seeing. One of the flavors is what you're seeing. There are a lot of technologies that go into the development of a driverless tractor. The first thing you've already seen is auto steering. The next one is auto transmission and auto throttling, which means depending on the actual load. So if the tractor is doing a tough plowing operation, it really knows that there's a lot of resistance there. So the engine knows that it has to push in a lot more fuel. So the engine and the transmission go hand in hand to make sure that it can take the load that it has to take. So the next one is, I think Dr. Arvind already spoke about as brake-by-wire. That's one of the fundamental building blocks. So it has the capability to brake. But when it brakes is when it sees an obstacle. So if there is an obstacle like a big rock in the farm, or if there is a like a cow or an animal or a human that's walking across, the tractor has the ability to sense there is an obstacle and it can also move away from the obstacle. Now I'll leave it to all of you to take a glimpse of the autonomous tractor. So the attention is all there. So this is one path that we have set. You can set any types of paths that you want. You want to go in circles, semicircles, loops, or across the headlands, whatever it is. So having done its job, so I think we'll ask it to take rest now. Yeah, I think we can switch off the engines, and that's what we aspire for, to enable our farmers to rise, to bring in technology. So technology se taraqi. So that's what we are aspiring for. Give a big hands to our hero. Thanks for being here, gentlemen. Thank you so much.